Saying everybody that you know what's up, so what's going on now? Saying I am the JJ doing my thing, I'm giving you with a style. That style over here just coming from me, but I'm still coming for you though. Saying I am the JJ doing my song and I'm doing here for you. Alright, okay, alright, you say, alright, okay, alright, okay. Say I like the girls over there just doing a thing. There's a reason why I want to go and sing. I'm singing songs to hear that, and I sing for you today. Some other people say that just what you bring. It's alright, okay. I'm over here today. Alright, okay. I'm over here today. Say I like all your energy and I like your style. Say I'm telling you, oh yes, I like your smile. Say I like the things you do and you do the things for me. Say yes, I said again that I like your style. So alright, okay, I see